Did they jump?
Yeah.
Okay, come over here on the stone so I can see you. Go closer to the stone. Walk forward. And you hold it up and have them jump for it?
Yeah.
Okay, now stand still. Right there. Eric. Turn to the side, buddy, because I can't see what you're doing. There you go. I don't think Harry's going to jump. He's too big. Oh, oh. I can't see what you're doing, though, buddy.
Now time for the
Okay, sit to the side so I can see what you're doing.
Hey!
Maybe sit on your knees. I think they'll come back. They're just trying to get the chicken that took the whole big piece. He's waiting for you. See, wait till they finish eating that cracker, because they're going to chase each other till it's gone. Come here, Harry.
Does anybody want a cracker back here?
Oh, here they come. No, you can't have mine. Caleb has some for you. Go.
Hey!
Go. Go. Yeah, come over here so they can see you. You gotta hide the one in your hand, because they're gonna want the one in your hand first. Put it under your shirt. That's not nice. There you go. Put the stick down, buddy, because they're not gonna like you hitting them with the stick. Do you hear me? Did you hear me about the stick? Thank you. Oh, now they see. Leave it alone. It's okay. Come back over here, buddy. All right, sit so I can see you. Sit so I can see you. There you go. Now hold still. He wonders why you're laughing. Here she comes. Don't move. Okay, put it back in there. They want it. Put it back in your mouth. Stick your head out. Poke your head out close to them. Hold it like this. Okay? But watch, crush it like that, and then hold it like that. So then they have to peck a couple different times to eat it. You got chickens right there. Sit down. But sit to the side because I can't see you, bud. There you go. It's okay. She's going to try to get the cracker, not your fingers.
I
get another one. You gotta hold your hands still. Don't drop all of them. Okay, sit down low. Open your hand.
Hey, what are you doing? I don't hit the crumbs. I'm gonna try that again.
Okay, only 2 more crackers. I don't want. Nah, get away. Take the cracker away. Go. Leave my toes alone. Go. No. Go. Get out. Don't be mean to him. Go sit down.
Hey, look. Why you want this?
No, he wants to peck my toes.
Hey.
There he goes.
Right here.
Whoop.
Right here. Here's a very old thing. What? You can all have it. Daddy! That's my finger. Oh.
What? You want to do something funny? Hold your hand out now like you have food in it, and they'll come peck it and think that you have food in it.
Hey, look.
Caleb, do you think that's nice? All right, say goodbye to him. Woo!
Hey, do that again.
Crow. See if you can. Oh, well, I guess he's gonna crow. You crow. Maybe he'll do it again. Yeah, crow. He's looking at you. Think he's gonna crow again? Don't scare him, buddy. He's growling.